Hey everybody, I am going to go over the lesson practice for lesson 104. The other two videos that I sent out are really good, so I just wanted to show you the lesson practice for today and how the textbook would explain it. So for lesson practice A, I have 7 halves, and they want me to not only find it as a mixed number, but they also want me to draw a picture. So if I'm doing 7 halves, my first step is going to be divide. 2 goes into 7, and that's going to be, how many times does 2 go into 7? Well, it goes 3 times. So 3 times 2, that's going to give me 6. I subtract, and I have a remainder of 1. But the easiest way to do is, since I have my remainder of 1, I've got 3 wholes, my remainder of 1, and then I keep the number I'm dividing by as my denominator. So the first part of that problem is now done. I have 3 and 1/2. Next thing I want to do is I'm going to draw a picture. So I know that my squares or circles, whatever I decide to use, need to be broken up into halves. So I've got 1/2 here, 1/2 here. So I'll say 1/2, 1/2. Make more halves here. 1/2, 1/2. 1, 2, 3, 4. I need to go all the way to 7. So 1/2, 2 halves, 3 halves, 4 halves, 5 halves, 6 halves, and then I need to draw another one, but I'm only gonna do it like that. So now I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 halves. What you can do, you can also shade those in when you're done with them. Like that. So that first one, letter A, is now done. It should look like that when you're finished with it. All right, let's move on to letter B. Letter B says 12 thirds. So what that looks like, if I take 12 and I divide it by 3, some of you are probably saying, wait a minute, this looks like it's going to be a whole number, which it is, because 3 goes into 12 4 times and it goes equally. When that happens and we don't have any remainders there, I'm going to say it is just 4 wholes, but we still need to draw the picture. So I need to make a shape that has thirds, and I need 12 of those thirds. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And that just means I have 4 holes that need to be completely shaded in. All right, I'll make that fast. Okay. Next one is letter C. Letter C says 8 thirds. So I know I need to draw out my division problem. 3 goes into 8 2 times. 2 times 3 is 6. Now I subtract. I have 2 left over. So my whole number will be 2, but my fraction part of it will be 2 and then 3 on the bottom. So 2 and 2 thirds. So I once again have to draw my picture and break it into thirds. All right, and then I need to color in 8. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So I have 2 that are completely filled in and 2 thirds left over. Then I've got D, which is 15 fifths, which probably ringing a bell right now saying, wait a minute, that's probably going to go equally as well. So 5 goes into 15 3 times. It goes equally without a remainder. So you're just going to have 3 wholes. But I need to break my next shape up into fifths. So that's going to look like 1, 2, 3, 4. Make one more line there. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I've got 5 parts here, and I need to shade in 15. So if I do that, that's 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So now I have 3 holes shaded in. All right, guys, I hope that helped. Happy learning. Bye.